In this example today for the for loop, we're going to print from 10 to 9. Print from 10 to 9. So how it's going to be possible? Let's start. For I in range start from 10, end from 1 minus 1. I mean 1 is 1 minus 1 is 0. It's going to be exclusive. The 0 is going to be exclusive, but the value to be 1. And we want the values to be decreased, not increased. So the minus 1 here, and then indentations, print out the I value. Going to print out 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you have any questions, please make to comment down below, and thank you for watching.